Upalna teacher, this activity to for base English one. Hello, how are you? My friends, my name is Julio. X tools num and the other is cool. So I is my family doing. My dad is working on this car. My mom is preparing lunch and I am doing activity to for English course. But Uber, I I am in the living room near the dining room. That's all. See you next class. Thank you.